How to participate in HelloFresh Community Contest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to join fun contest and win prizes with HelloFresh, well in today's video I'll show you how to find and participate in HelloFresh Community Contest using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu account icon and then look for community contest or promotions. And there you can check out the list of ongoing contests, challenges or giveaways available to the HelloFresh customer. And there you can just tap on a contest to read the full details including how to enter, deadlines and prizes. And there you just have to follow the instruction to participate, and it might be submitting photos, sharing recipes or answering the question. And that's it. With that, you'll be ready to join HelloFresh contest and have fun while cooking. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.